The most famous source of passive income is rental income. You own a property, rent it out, and the tenant sends you a check every month. Sounds simple, right? But in Canada, it's not just about having money. In Quebec, if your tenant stops paying rent, it can take 4 to 6 months just to get your property back. In Ontario, the legal eviction process can drag out over a year, while you receive no rent at all. Only in Alberta can you reclaim your property in about 2 weeks, thanks to a faster legal system. But Alberta's harsh, unpredictable winters aren't for everyone. So, should you invest in real estate for passive income? The answer is yes, but only if you choose the right method, the right time, and the right location. Let's be honest, not everyone has the time, energy, or capital to deal with late rent, plumbing repairs, or market crashes. Luckily, rental income is just one way to earn passively. Thanks to technology, you can now earn income without owning property, without staff, and often without much startup capital. Let's explore 8 digital passive income ideas anyone in Canada can start today, whether you have $100, $10,000, or just a few free hours per week. One, affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products using your unique referral links. If someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Startup cost, $0–300. Monthly income potential, $50, 5,000 plus. Great for bloggers, YouTubers, TikTok creators, or anyone with an audience. Two, digital content. YouTube, blog, podcast, eBooks. Create valuable content once and monetize it over and over again. You earn through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, or product sales. Startup cost, $500. Monthly income potential, $100, 10,000 plus. Many Canadians are earning full-time income with just one good piece of content. Three, dropshipping or automated e-commerce. Sell products online without holding inventory. Customers buy from your store. Your supplier ships it directly to them. Startup cost, $500, $2,000. Monthly income potential, $300, 10,000 plus. You focus on marketing and automation, not logistics. Four, stock photos, music, and video licensing. Submit your photos, videos, or audio tracks to platforms like Shutterstock, Pond5, or Audio Jungle. Earn money each time someone downloads your work. Startup cost, $300. Monthly income potential, $50, 2,000 plus. Create once, earn for years. Five, build and license apps or software. If you're a developer or know someone who is, create an app, tool, or plugin people can pay to use. Startup cost, $500, $5,000. Monthly income potential, $500, $20,000 plus. This is scalable and highly profitable when done right. Six, royalties from patents or ideas. Invent something? You can license the idea to a company and earn royalties, even if they manufacture and sell it. Startup cost? Varies, may involve legal fees. Monthly income potential, $100, $50,000 plus in rare cases. This is more advanced, but incredibly powerful. Seven, rent websites or premium domain names. Buy or build websites that attract traffic. Rent them out to local businesses, or sell them for a profit. You can also flip or lease valuable domain names. Startup cost, $10, $1,000. Monthly income potential, $100, $5,000 plus. It's like owning digital real estate. Eight, virtual real estate, Metaverse platforms. Buy or rent land in the Metaverse, in platforms like Decentraland or Sandbox. Earn money by leasing, hosting events, or flipping virtual property. Startup cost, $500, $10,000. Monthly income potential, $0, $2,000 plus. Note, this is speculative and high risk, but full of potential. Some of these methods need money, some need creativity, some just need consistency and automation. But they all have one thing in common. They help you earn, even when you're not working. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. These ideas do not reflect my personal investment portfolio. I will only share my actual passive income streams. Once this channel reaches 1 million subscribers, as a thank you to those who've supported the journey. We've just scratched the surface. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and don't miss part 2, where we dive deeper into more powerful passive income ideas in Canada. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need to be rich to start, but you do need to start to get rich.